Yoga is a holistic practice that originated in ancient India and has gained popularity worldwide due to its numerous benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. Here are some of the key benefits of practicing yoga. Physical fitness. Yoga helps improve overall physical fitness by increasing strength, flexibility, balance, and endurance. It enhances muscle tone, improves posture, and promotes better body alignment. Stress reduction. One of the significant benefits of yoga is its ability to reduce stress. Through the combination of physical movement, controlled breathing, and meditation, yoga promotes relaxation and helps calm the mind. Regular practice can lower stress hormone levels, such as cortisol, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Flexibility and range of motion. Yoga involves a series of poses and stretches that gently elongate and strengthen the muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Over time, this can improve flexibility and increase the body's range of motion, leading to improved athletic performance and reduced risk of injuries. Mind-body connection. Yoga emphasizes the connection between the mind, body, and breath. Through mindful movement and focused awareness, practitioners develop a greater sense of body awareness and presence, leading to improved concentration and mental clarity. Respiratory health. Yogic breathing exercises, known as pranayama, focus on deep, controlled breathing patterns. This can improve lung capacity, enhance respiratory function, and increase oxygen intake, benefiting overall respiratory health. Heart health. Certain types of yoga, such as vinyasa or power yoga, can provide cardiovascular benefits similar to aerobic exercise. Regular practice can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pain relief. Yoga can help alleviate chronic pain, such as back pain, joint pain, and migraines. The gentle stretches, strengthening exercises, and relaxation techniques in yoga can provide relief, improve mobility, and enhance overall well-being. Better sleep. Regular yoga practice can improve sleep quality and help combat insomnia. The relaxation techniques, deep breathing, and meditation in yoga can calm the nervous system, reduce racing thoughts, and promote a restful night's sleep. Increased energy and vitality. Yoga invigorates the body and mind, boosting energy levels and promoting a sense of vitality. The combination of physical movement, deep breathing, and mindfulness can help combat fatigue and increase overall energy throughout the day. Improved emotional well-being. Yoga has been found to enhance emotional well-being by reducing symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. It promotes a sense of inner calm, self-acceptance, and overall happiness. Remember that the benefits of yoga are best achieved through regular practice. It's always recommended to learn from a qualified instructor and choose a style of yoga that suits your individual needs and goals.